Okay, let me check my notes. What are we doing for today's video? Playing German tier 8 tech tree and starting a world revolution. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm just not doing that. Where the hell is everyone? Oh, there you are.
Hello, fellow German tank. Don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. I'm going for this T-25. I'm gonna blow its brains out.
Oh. I should take that shot. I was planning on enhancing. There's a tank! Run! Little tank?
Nice shot!
Ah! What is your fat ass doing here? Actually gonna smash the smasher. Oh. Get over here, little buddy. Ooh.
What the fuck?
Thing.
Nice shot!
Wait, J Panther?
Shebang!
Ah, you hurt. You hurt. Yeah, J Panther. Could I get?
You hurt. A lot.
This stupid head's gonna peek. Uh-oh.
Oh my god!
Thank you.
No, you're dead.
Oh, I couldn't shoot right through the crack.
Let's cause some more carnage.
Oh. Oh, damn. There's more than I thought, though.
Nice shot!
What was he thinking, huh?
Turn. Show yourself, you what?
Oh my god!
We bounce that.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh, there's a...
This is gonna be like a recreation of World War II, huh? Germany wins the first half and they win the second half, huh?
Oh, this is fine, believe it or not.
Oh, hey, big scary tank. We failed our uprising.